Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul up here, and today we have a coffee request. Thank you so much for the coffee, and thank you for the request. This comes from Nami, and in the spirit of winter arriving, we're watching this movie. It's actually a video, a 30-minute video of a very relaxing snowstorm in Korea. This is from the channel called Ban Camp, and the title is Snow Day. Build a cozy inflatable tent and go camping in the snowstorm. Let's go. Let's check it out. We're starting from the beginning because I was recording and the audio just cut. Don't know why. So we're going to check it out from the beginning and add subtitles. Nice. I like the sounds here. It's so ASMR. I mentioned when we first saw the first 2 or 3 minutes, and I mentioned I used to have a dog. My first dog was a Maltese, a Highlander. Impressive, isn't it, Hansi? So cute. Such a cute dog. And it's so white. It's funny when the dog runs on the snow. It gets full of snow. It's so nice. And it's so efficient, isn't it, to have an inflatable tent like that. 안녕하세요. This is our happy place. Just to watch and relax. The last snow of this winter. Oh, that dog. I took my dog to run in the snow. She was so happy. She's like, am I gonna step on my own foot? Because she's so white. She can't see her paws in the snow. Nice. There's something about digging which is so nice. Nami says in Korea winter is really cold, not only because the temperature is low, but also because it's extremely windy. Winter wonderland. Wow. It's a very brave thing to do. To camp in the middle of a snowstorm. When it's snowing so much like this, when it's so cold, does the snow melt on your shoulders? Because I feel like here in London, snow melts and your shoulders get wet really, like instantly.
뒤집어야 돼. 맞지?
They should be sponsored by this tent, honestly. Not a lot of hassle. Just pump up the tent. Oh, it's gonna take a while, isn't it? It's probably gonna take like 20 minutes. Even inside the tent, he was respectful to remove his shoes. When people remove their shoes in Korea, is it more because it's dirty or is it more a sign of respect? Or both? That is so efficient. Oh man, I feel like if they waited just a little bit, they wouldn't have a lot of snow. It's not too obvious. Some countries, people don't, no, that's not common sense. People don't do that in other countries. In many other countries. And some cultures don't understand taking shoes off indoors. It's interesting. Nice, he has a heater. Oh, it's like a window. I love that this tent, it's so big and it also has windows. If you like camping, this is a good investment. Wow, it's already full of snow. I wonder if it's strong enough to hold up the snow. That's so cool. Is that a king-size bed? Nah, it isn't. But it is a couple, a duo bed. Aww. I love dogs. I love that everything is so inflatable, like, so easy. They have a sofa. Guys, can you imagine they even have a sofa? And it's very lightweight too. A wood stove. Dude, how does all of these things fit in his car? And this also could work as a TV with only one channel. Fire burning channel. Wood burning channel. Dude, this is incredible. Yeah, it is glamorous camping, isn't it? Luxurious camping. But I'll tell you one thing. He saves up a lot in hotel fees. Glamping. Dang. That was so fast too. The way it caught on fire. He's got Christmas decorations too. But I don't think this would be more expensive than a hotel. I think if you're spending 2 or 3 nights in a hotel, you could already pay for the camping and then you can go camping as many times as you want. Do you think this costs more than $1,500? I feel like you would spend that in like 10 days in a hotel if you're paying $150 a night. But it kind of feels like an overkill, to be honest with you. But it sure is comfortable. Oh, Nami, you should go with her. This is so luxurious. See, I told you it would double as a TV. Snow falling from the trees. Oh. Dogs are so precious, guys. Oh, sweet potatoes. Is Maury gonna poop in the snow? Isn't it cool that the stove acts as not only a stove but a fireplace, a heating element? It's a heater and a stove at the same time. Warm cocoa.
오자고 하기 잘했지.
작년 올해 통틀어 오늘 제일 많이 왔대 여기.
아 진짜?
40cm.
40 centimeter of snow. That's amazing. This is such a relaxing video. Maury is hungry. Such a cute dog. Soju! Wait, you heat it up?
오늘은 이게 딱이다.
That is so cool. Dude, that is so awesome. Wow. How are they gonna wash all these dishes though? People drink warm alcohol? I know about warm wine. There's a culture in my country too. They drink warm wine. But never heard of warm alcohol other than wine. Cheongju. I thought it was soju.
와.
It's boiling. It's not even warm, it's boiling.
뜨거울 수도 있어.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna heat them up.
와 내려간다.
이거 괜찮네.
와,
이거는 콩나물이랑 같이.
This looks absolutely delicious. This is very glamorous camping.
아, 좋다.
I can't believe they're doing all of this inside a camp. Inside a tent. Very glamorous, very luxurious camp.
아, 어묵에다가 콩나물 올려봐.
이렇게?
Dang. Getting hungry.
그래. 조심해, 뜨겁다.
What does this taste like? I know what the bean sprouts taste like, but
와우.
is that egg? Is that rice?
우와,
진짜 맛있지?
Oh, red fish cake. See, fish
콩나물
cake.
너 먹을 거야? 너는
The day after tomorrow.
딸기 진짜 맛있다. 이 소스 담가가지고.
간식이 더 맛있는데. 너무 익어버렸다.
This is camping mukbang.
아,
I love how well prepared they are.
저 오뎅 하나 남았다. 손해줄게.
아니, 오빠 먹어도 돼.
무도 먹을래.
That's a good dog. It's a very well-behaved dog.
아이, 또 맛있어.
I could watch this all day, guys. It's very relaxing. Now they're gonna watch a movie. Oh, there's icicles. Oh, wow. In the camp, there's icicles. This is such a good ad for that camp, that inflatable camping tent for Renia. Time to sleep.
우리 옷 벗고 자자. 옷 벗고 자.
Maury's like, no, keep it on. Such a well-behaved dog.
그냥 옷 벗고. 잠이 와. 응, 옷 벗어. 이쪽. 이쪽.
Maury blends in with the pillow, with the blanket, with the snow. So I guess the dude is not sleeping in the bed. That's the dog's place. Wow. Your first dog was a Maltese too? My first dog's name was Goofy. I think I was 6 years old when we got Goofy. Although I don't think that's a Maltese now that I'm looking closer. It looks more like a Lhasa, which we also had one called Cherry. Or it might be a Maltese. Sweet potatoes for breakfast? Here's a question. Do you need a fridge or can you leave it outside? Steamed bun. I've also had a Yorkshire, a Yorkie, and now we have a Corgi. You're gonna make soup with milk? You're gonna make milk soup?
많이 갔어? 어제 못 먹었는데.
오늘 위해서는 한겨놨지.
어떻게 알았어?
그래.
They had such a good meal the day before. They forgot about the sweet potatoes. Give Maury some. There we go. Maury's like, which one should I get? Pumpkin soup with milk. I've never had this. Is it like porridge? Do you add sugar?
오빠 거야?
응?
오빠 거야 이거?
아 그래? 그냥 줄게.
알겠어. 장난이야.
잘 섞기 힘들어.
아 그래 그럼 한번 해봐봐.
This is such a different breakfast. Oh. Is this, how do you call this?
Thank you.
Manju?
아니야 모리야 이건 네 먹는 거 아니야.
머리는 고구마 줄게.
It's like black beans, isn't it? Black bean paste. Nice. Baked bread isn't part of Korean culture?
이 안에 들어갔어.
우와.
So they only stayed one night. Because they wanted to see the snowstorm. I'm pretty sure they slept very well. Careful, Maury. There we go. Amazing. What a great video. Beautiful video. Great ASMR. And great mukbang too. Such a great video. Thank you so much, Nami, for sharing this. It's such a nice winter day. Nice snowstorm. Just really cozy. Really just relaxing. It looked like a very nice way to camp. I've never seen camping like this, like very luxurious. It's probably, it is called glamping, isn't it? Glam camping. Pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave your like. Don't forget to subscribe and go check out Bandcamp. The link is in the description. Go support them so that they can do more videos like this. If you guys want to watch reactions to full movies, shows, series, and other stuff, go over to Buy Me Coffee or to Patreon. The link is in the pinned comments. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.